Hi, it's Phil here from Car Sales Manchester. I'm going to show you today this Jaguar XKR 2000 on the year, on a W reg, one owner from new, full service history, and I mean full service history. It's been serviced every year. It has 23 service stamps for each year of its age. It's only done 37,000 miles. It is one of a kind. There are not these about. And being the XKR, it really is the one to have. Just look at this. I've been knowing it's been coming for a few weeks and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it, and now I have. So, it's an XKR 4-litre supercharged, 370 brake horse, one owner from new, 37,000 miles, and I repeat 37,000 miles, with full service history. It has been serviced 23 times, and that equates, it's been serviced once a year. It's got over 2 pages worth of extras on it. It's in a beautiful red colour. Don't you just love the vents? That looks fabulous. So reminds me of an E-Type. And we've got, look at the wheels, the 20-inch 255 3520s. P0s on the Paris brakes, the Paris wheels, the rarest wheels that you can get. It's got the headlamp wash white with xenons. Down the line of the car, just look at that. It looks absolutely super. So you've got the 285 3520s on the back. Again, all matching tyres. The car originated in London, in Docklands. It was serviced at the main dealers, and then it was serviced at an independent Jaguar specialist. A slight indentation there on the boot. All the tyres are like brand new. The wheels have just been refurbished, which we have a bill for. So the wheels are brand new in essence, and the tyres. Just look at that. Wow. What I'll do now is I'll take you inside, so I'll see you in a second. Hi. I'm in the Jaguar at the moment, just going through the documentation. I've got the service book here. And it was originally serviced, the first one was at Docklands in London. And it's got 11 main dealer stamps and then 12 specialists, which Les Paul, Jaguar Independent down in Essex. It was actually serviced last time at Jaguar in North London, on the North Circular. So it's just got impeccable service history with it. Got the logbook. It's one owner from new. Everything is correct and as it should be. MOT'd. It's untaxed at the moment, obviously we're running on trade plates. for this purpose. Just got a bill back from the wheel specialists, and we've got a bill which we paid obviously for £1,164 to refurb the Paris wheels, but they just look like brand new now. Look absolutely super. This is interesting. I spoke to Jaguar and asked for the build sheet. When it was built, the date it was actually sold was the 11th of the 5th 2000, and obviously all the relevant information, but I've got a page and a little bit of everything that's on the car, from the disc brakes, performance, crossed drilled Bembo brakes, discs. It's just got everything on it. That was a tongue twister, wasn't it? But got all the documentation here, what it was and what it is, and so on and so forth. And then a few other bills, MOTs, and so on. So we've got all the associated bills. It comes with all the books. It comes with all the valves on the wheels. It comes with the tool to get the valves out. The central tool to get the middle plate out on the wheels. Everything is with the car. Fire extinguisher. And then you look at the car, it's got the sat nav. It's totally best spec that you could ever want to ask for. One owner, 37,000 miles. I mean, there just isn't these cars about anymore. Anyway, obviously you can say that I'm excited, which I am, because I just love this car. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take it for a test drive, and we're going to take it for a test drive and see how it goes. Hopefully the traffic isn't that bad, but you never know. So here we go. I just love the roar of this supercharged engine. It's a Grand Tourer, but 0 to 60 is 5.2 seconds. Limited to 155 miles an hour. I mean, the car's a rocket ship. It really is. All the benefits of a Grand Tourer, with the advantage of being a really fast car when you want it to be. It brakes true, there's no rattles, there's no bangs, all the gears change up and down. It's super. So I'm just going on the bypass now. Traffic's a bit heavy, but just hear that. It's just phenomenal. The whistle that you get from the superchargers and the pull is just phenomenal. What a car. What a car. You can really feel them 370 horses pumping around. And as I've already said, you know, you'll buy it, you'll put it in the garage, and it's better than money in the bank. You have fun with it, and it's just going up in value. How? No better thing. No better thing. Absolutely brakes true, steers in a straight line, as it should do. I mean, it's got to do. It's only done 37,000 miles. Come on. No rattles, no bangs. It's brilliant. I am so excited. I can't believe that we've got this in stock. I really, really can't. It's 2000 on a W reg. 23 years old, would you believe? And it still looks fabulous. It's like a great wine. It's just got better with age. The style is fabulous. 37,000 miles, one owner from new, full service history. It's been serviced every year. So it's got 23 stamps in it. I mean, 23 stamps? The book is overflowing. Now it's the 4-litre version, 370 brake horse. And it's just beautiful. Now, look at this here. These are the Paris wheels. 255/35/20s. Central hubcap. It's got the upgraded Brembo brakes and drilled discs. BBS split alloys. Electric windows, got memory seats, electric seats as you can see there. All the footwell is in great condition as you can expect. These seats haven't been touched. The ivory leather. Again, another extra. It's got the satellite navigation. Foam prep. Air conditioning. It's got the lot. And I genuinely believe it's the best colour combination you could ever have. It has all the tools to change the valves with it. All the carpets, the factory mats are here. Fire extinguisher. The boot bag. CD, DVD. There's a triangle. XKR. The Alpine stereo, as you can see. Beautiful wood dash. Doesn't that remind you of an E-Type? It does with me. Taking in the seats. And then the rear seats. There's 2 pages of extras with the car. I've got the build sheet with it. And the chap really spec'd the car out. And the best thing about this, you know, you'll drive it, you'll polish it at the weekends, you'll do everything you need to do with it, and all it's doing is going up in value. Because they don't make them anymore, and they don't make ones with 37,000 miles on. And that's the beauty of this car. It's just an investment. If you need more information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and really I hope to hear from you soon.